Okay, this is Beaumont Hospital in Royal Oak, Michigan. We're here at the west parking deck, and we have an elevator here. It's a Schindler MT. West deck 2, so there's probably going to be another elevator somewhere. Go to 5. This is one of the biggest hospitals I've ever filmed at, and looks like there's no interlock tape. It's not an ECI interlock. There's the phone. It's a very nice elevator. Going up? Yep, which one are you going to?
4.
4.
What are you doing?
Just taking a video of the elevator. I'm interested in the way elevators work.
How much work?
Just the elevator itself and, you know, different types of models and companies. Have a good one. Look at these key switches. These 3 appear to be, they're either custom, they may even be MAD, because I know MAD has barrel key switches. All right, that'll be it.